Hi guys, welcome to the class. Today we will discuss about basic definitions in electrical installation. The material which allows free flow of electrons is called as conductor. Example is copper, aluminium. The material which allows partial flow of electrons through it is called as semiconductor. Example diode, transistor. The material which does not allow flow of electrons through it is called as insulator. Example paper, rubber, mica, wood. The conductor material with insulation is called as wire. The conductor material with insulation and protecting covering around it is called as cable. Types of wires and cables. Based on material, copper and aluminium. Second one, based on insulation, paper, wood, rubber, plastic, mica, PVC. Based on the number of cores, single core, double core, triple core, 4 core cables and etc. Based on the voltage level, low voltage up to 1 kV, medium voltage up to 11 to 22 kV, high voltage 33 to 66 kV, extra high voltage up to 132 kV, super tension voltage that is beyond 132 kV. Earthing or grounding, the process of bypassing the leakage currents from the metal body of electrical equipment to the ground is called earthing or grounding. There are 4 types of earthing: plate earthing, pipe earthing, rod earthing and strip earthing. Battery is an electrochemical device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. There are 2 types of batteries: primary battery and secondary battery. Single time usage batteries are called primary batteries. The batteries which can be recharged and reused again and again are called secondary batteries. Fuse is a protective device which breaks the circuit by melting. It has low melting point, it is free from oxidation, and the fuse metal should be having high conductivity. There are 2 types of fuses: KitKat fuse and HRC fuse. Circuit breaker is a protective device which makes and breaks the circuit under abnormal conditions. Types of circuit breakers: miniature circuit breaker MCB, modeled case circuit breaker MCCB, earth leakage circuit breaker ELCB, air circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker, and many more. The amount of power consumed in a unit time is called energy. The units are watt hours.